We got a problem with this pocket door here. Fell off its tracks.
In order to get to the track, we have to remove the trim.
We gotta get to this. Okay, we gotta get into the inside of this track. So okay, now that we're in here, here's the track right here. Here's your wheels. So you see how it's coming off right here. We got, let's go ahead and pull this door out. To the track here. You have to remove this beat up roller here. So I went down to Home Depot.
The old wheels were damaged, so I found me some new ones at Home Depot. The only problem is these rollers are not for this door, so what we have to do is modify the door. We have to cut some notches in it. Let's go ahead and do that.
I'm gonna use these. But if you can see how these wheels ain't lined up? It needs to be lined up, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut into the door. This is a solid wood door at the top. So it lines up with that one. So I'm doing there. And just cut into the door. Okay, I cut me a little notch in there. So my goal is to try to line up the wheel to be even with this wheel. So let's see if that's gonna work. Let's give that a shot. If not, shot this other side. Let me see. A little lower. Okay.
Okay, we'll just slide the door back into the pocket. I use some blocks of wood down here to raise the door, just to make sure it's level and plumb.
Let's go ahead and screw these in, see if they work right. Let's go ahead and run some more screws. Okay. Check out the operation of it. Okay, let's go ahead and put our trim back. Okay, now let's put this back together.
Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.